Morning, guys. I want to show you how to use a tool that I would like you to use for quite a bit of this unit. It's been a bit of hit or miss whether it's working for all people. Ms. Dyer and Mr. Necton are looking into it. But for those of you, and it should work for almost all of you. I've only had a couple of kids who say they can't get it to work at all, and eventually it should work for everyone. So I do want you to give it a try, see if you can make it work, and if not, hang in there and we're going to try and make it work for you. So you guys are going to do an exponential notation formative today. And when you click on it, hopefully you're going to get something up here that says open with Cami. It might be a drop-down menu that says open with, and then you have to click it. You're looking for this white K with the blue background. If you don't have that, please email me. It's some kids have had it, some kids haven't. Some kids eventually it shows up if they try a couple times. I don't know what the heck's going on. Mr. Necton's on it. Anyway, click it if it shows up for you. And it's going to open up in this screen here. This is Cami, and it lets you write on PDFs. Now, eventually, I want you guys to be able to use this equation tool here, but right now it's not working for students, which is awful. But anyway, hopefully it'll come soon. But what you can use is the text box tool. And I'm seeing I left this here yesterday, which is not good. Hopefully that didn't mess up any Math 8 kids. Okay, so this is the text box tool. When you click it, it highlights in this pink color. And then when you click the cursor, a text box shows up magically. And then also up here will be the toolbar. Now I know you've probably used text boxes before and it acts in the same way, but there's a couple mathy things that I need you to know how to do. So for this identify the base and the exponent thing, you put in your base first. So let's pretend this one is a 6. It's not. And then you can come over here and click this X squared button. It says superscript when you hover over it. When you click that, see how my cursor went up a little bit? Now I can put in my exponent. Okay, you can also raise something in parentheses to an exponent, and that's as simple as, putting your exponent in, your parentheses in, putting in your base, close parentheses, and then just hitting this thing again and putting in your exponent. So that's pretty easy. If you mess up royally, you can click on this red box here and it'll go bye-byes. You can also, there's an undo button up here. So if you mess up and you want something back, here it is. I have yet to find a redo button. I can't guarantee that there isn't one, but I'm pretty sure that there isn't one. Okay, that was terrible, but I think you get what I mean. I don't know if there's a redo button or not. So you can get rid of things. Let's see, you can also enter fractions in here. And again, I do want you guys doing this. So I'm going to start a text box. If you come up here, over here, you'll notice function notation, f of x. It's the formula button. You click on that, and you get this little toolbar, and then you click on the pi symbol, and that has some math symbols in there. Yours will not have this up here right away. That's there because I just did it. You're going to find it down here in this menu, and when you click it, it will end up showing up there for you. But I'm going to click it, and you'll see that a fraction showed up here in my text box. Okay, click that and make it go away. So then I can put in a fraction, 4/5. And let's see, what happens if I try and put parentheses? This is new to me. I haven't done it this way. Oh, if I put in a closed parentheses, the open parentheses pops right up. That's cool. And then, how do I get my text box back? Well, let's see. Is there a way to put exponents in with this? Yes, look at that. Click. Oh, but not over there. Oh, no. There we go. Okay, so you can put exponents and fractions in using the text box tool. It's way easier in the equation tool, really hoping it's available soon, but in the meantime, this is what we're going to do. When you're done, I'm still not completely sure how this all works. I think what you guys need to do is if you click this download button, I think you want to export it. And then you're going to want to attach it to Google Classroom. I'm not saying that's the best way to do it. It's just the way that I'm pretty sure works. If you guys come up with a better way, please let me know so I can share it with others. This is new to me. I just started using it yesterday, and there's been all kinds of problems. The other thing you can do, I think, is click Save, and then there's this export or a download button. So try it out. Your work should not disappear if you at least save it in some way, and then you can fiddle around a little bit with it and see what works best for you. And please share any tips you have with me, because again, I'm learning this at the same time you guys are. Please also use this when you are, if you want to, sorry. You may also use this to do the next assignment, which is the exploring the product of powers rule. You'll see that on today's agenda. All right, questions, email me. And that's it. See you next time.